The Polytechnic University of Catalonia is Spain's largest engineering institution, with its own network of research centers and capacity to accommodate over 30,000 students. The university is known for designing and constructing innovative structures, such as pavilions based on the Solinger system, which allows for the creation of thin yet sturdy mesh structures. One such pavilion was constructed using 0.47 inches thick birch plywood. In the future, projects like these could serve as the foundation for serial modular wooden structures that are both easy to assemble and align with the principles of eco-friendly construction. If you ever need a large wooden beam, call Haslacher. They will calculate and create a beam that can weigh up to approximately 66 short tons and be as long as 107 feet. To achieve this, Haslacher craftsmen glue 17 separate elements into a single monolith, resulting in a final thickness of approximately 4 feet. Escort vehicles were required to transport the wooden girder, which eventually became a part of an Austrian bridge. If the bridge is not required, Haslacher will repurpose the girder for highway cameras, business centers, and other structures. The company is capable of producing girders longer than 170 feet. Deck-to-wall rubber gaskets are an affordable solution at $25 for 10 pieces. They provide drainage and airflow, which reduces the risk of rotting materials. The gaskets are made of glass-filled polypropylene, ensuring resistance to water and corrosion. Additionally, their large bearing surface distributes the load better than many competitors. The most compact gaskets have a total diameter of approximately 1.97 inches and 0.31 inches diameter fixing holes. Carefully insert the X-fix elements into the grooves and tap a few times with a hammer. This creates a secure connection without the need for glues, screws, bolts, or any other complications. X-fix can be used to fasten roof, ceiling, and wall elements. X-fix was selected for use in the Berlin Design Museum and the Norwegian office building Haslitra, which has an area of approximately 32 square feet. The CR100 version's classic elements are available in various lengths up to 5 inches and can be seamlessly combined with glued laminated timber. Trick brick is a system developed in response to the climate crisis and high CO2 emissions in the construction industry. The use of wooden bricks also contributes to sustainability efforts in the industry. The system is based on wooden bricks that are assembled like Lego and fixed with dowels, eliminating the need for glue or fasteners. This makes the construction process quick and easy, with a 500 square foot floor able to be completed in just 2 days. If builders were to use concrete instead, it would take them approximately 10-20 days. Even load-bearing walls can be built from bricks, which are also reusable. This opens up good prospects for building reconstruction. Advantage deck tiles are ideal for self-installation. The developers are confident that your space will be transformed in just 1 day. If you're tired of your old concrete driveway, consider decorating it with slabs of natural Brazilian wood. However, this pleasure comes at a cost. Each tile, measuring approximately 20 by 20 inches and made of exotic garapa wood, costs $19. The color will only become more saturated over time. The manufacturer has already taken care of protecting against mold and rot, and installation is so simple that it can be done alone. Additionally, a series of step-by-step demonstration videos are available. The fastening components used in everyday construction are constantly evolving. Even in this niche, manufacturers are always developing new and innovative products. For instance, Prida Fast Fix fasteners undergo laboratory testing, and the developers promise minimal risk of cracking during installation. Additionally, the Strong Drive SDWC truss meets the International Construction Standard ICCES, is suitable for use in chemically treated wood, and is available in bright orange for better visibility. Format Wood has evolved from a humble carpentry workshop into a global design sensation by inventing acoustic panels made of wood. These panels have been described as adding softness to the space, like freshly baked bread. The numbers are equally impressive, with claims that the 1.18 inches thick panels absorb over 60% of sound in the range from 200 to 800 Hz, while also improving the speech transmission index. The panels are made using oak, ash, and American walnut, giving them a visually appealing appearance. This makes them a suitable option for both recording studios and residential environments. In 2019, Norway unveiled an unusual structure, Mjøsternet, which translates to the Tower by Lake Mjøs. This 18-story masterpiece of engineering is made entirely of cross-laminated wood and, at approximately 280 feet tall, was considered the tallest wooden building in the world at the time of its delivery. The only non-wood elements are the concrete slabs on the top floors. Mjøsternet has ample space for a hotel, private apartments, a restaurant, offices, a swimming pool, and more. The architects aim to inspire others to follow their example, noting that a renaissance in wooden construction has begun. Timber HP insulation is made of wood fibers and is resistant to moisture, mold, and rot. It can also withstand 2 hours of contact with fire. The developers openly share the secret of their success. During production, wood fiber is mixed with a chemical substance called borat. This substance is widely used in various industries, from laundry detergents to sterile environments. The insulation is eco-friendly as it is made from wood chips and other waste from sawmills. Timber HP also captures and stores CO2 throughout its lifetime, resulting in a negative carbon footprint of approximately -20 pounds per 200 square feet. The developers have purchased a paper mill to use as a production facility for this insulation. Ubbink bitumen tape is a versatile solution for protecting wooden terrace beams. It can withstand temperatures ranging from -40 to +80 degrees Celsius and is resistant to radiation, preventing the beams from rotting. The manufacturer offers a standard roll of approximately 66 feet with a width of 3 inches, which is enough for a terrace of approximately 86 square feet. The cost of a roll is $22.5. The A-fold homes could potentially contribute to the wooden renaissance, and at minimum, the concept is promising. In just 6 hours, a 549 square feet house can be assembled. The construction process is unique, resembling both puzzles and origami. The houses are lightweight, allowing for easy installation on a pile-pile foundation. The standard package includes plumbing, a split system, plastic windows, a hot water system, and wiring. Furniture must be purchased separately. However, A-fold houses are a great option for camping and glamping, especially since they are available in a 4-bedroom version. Laverty promises us that we can stop dreaming and make it a reality. The company specializes in creating classic log houses and advanced frame buildings. The owner of the company has experience and even served as the vice president of the International Association of Log House Builders. Laverty's handmade work using authentic technologies is a unique selling point, while modern tools and techniques are used where necessary. For instance, during the modeling stage, the company utilizes Additric Nord American, an advanced software program from one of the largest European suppliers for working with wooden house projects. Garbellato improves the lives of its customers with their exclusive and patented clip-up system for installing floor coverings. This system eliminates the need for glue or magnetic backing, allowing you to walk on the installed floor immediately. The clip-up system is so reliable that it is even recommended for gymnasiums. The system is based on polymer clamps that securely fix and allow for easy removal of items such as parquet boards. These clamps are produced by the same company that manufactures about 1 million square meters of wooden floor coverings per year. The final issue concerns 2 solutions that are relevant for both private and commercial projects. The first solution involves metal supports for wooden poles, manufactured by the German company Pizzai. These supports are suitable for installing wooden poles on concrete or base plates. The second solution involves wooden poles made from wood fiber or wood polymer composite. The combination of natural wood fibers and plastic makes the posts relatively inexpensive and more resistant to water damage. They are suitable for use in fences, screens, and gazebos.